Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are doing a clean with me in my bedroom and in my living room. That's all I had time for today before I headed to work. But I hope you enjoy this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you like cleaning content, decorating, all of that, go ahead and subscribe.
Sometimes, but you're making me nervous. Now I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you.
So fun fact, this house came with blue doors, as you can see, and every single door is blue. And I don't think I like it because I feel like I have to decorate in like a navy and a blue. So I think eventually I'll probably paint them back to white, but what is your opinion on them? Do you like the blue? Do you think I should go for a different color? Or should I just go back to white? What would you do? So now we're in my living room, and surprise, I got new furniture. This is a new couch that I got because the other one is in my basement and it's kind of destroyed because of my dog. My dog is not allowed on this new one, but it is the most comfy thing and it wasn't badly priced either. And then I'm just going to kind of tidy up around here, get the blankets and everything picked up, and then do a quick vacuum, and that's all I need to do in here. guys, that is all that I have to do today, but I just wanted to say a huge thank you for making it this far in the video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!